Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. Friends, today I will show you how to do keyword research in the word tracker, which is one of the best keyword research tools. And more importantly, I will show you the trick to use word tracker without paying or without buying any subscription. Right? The word tracker is a good tool, but if you want to do keyword research, you need to buy its subscription. Many of us couldn't buy those subscriptions, so that's why I'm showing you a good and smart trick to do keyword research on word tracker without paying a single penny. Okay friends, so let me first take you to the word tracker straight away. Okay, hold on. Word tracker, yeah, here it is. So that's the tool, wordtracker.com. So let us visit the website first. It is opening. Yes, now I think it is. Okay friends, so here's the website, wordtracker.com. As you can see, it's a good website. Apart from keyword research, you can do actually a lot of things here. It's a very good and informative website. Okay, but keyword research is the main feature of this website. So first, let me take you to the pricing of this tool. We'll just go to the pricing and let's see. Here it is. So they have basically three packages: bronze, silver and gold, and you see pricing starts from $27 per month to $99 per month for gold package. But don't worry, because today I will tell you to do keyword research in word tracker without paying a single price. Okay, so let us back to the home page. Okay, here it is. So friends, for example, I will show you keyword research for a very generic and simple keyword. Suppose we'll go for online shoes. Okay, here it is, and let us see what are the variations it will provide. Here it is. Okay, it is fetching keywords. Okay friends, as you can see now, it has faced couple of keywords and variations for online shoes, like shoes online, discount shoes online, and these are the good suggestions provided by word tracker as provided by the keyword planner and Uber suggests. Okay, so don't bother about the accuracy of this keyword research tool. It provide a good set of the variation keywords and LSI keywords also. Okay, so don't worry about the quality of this tool. Okay, but most important thing is that you need to set up location here for which you are doing keyword research for example, I am doing here keyword research for United States, so I have set United States. But if I will do for United Kingdom, I will set United Kingdom, Australia, any country you can set whatever you are feasible to. Okay, so that's not a problem. So let me take to the keywords and let me show you how you can do the keyword research. Okay, so these are the keywords: shoes online, online shoes, buy shoes online, and there are a lot of keywords. But if you go to the bottom here, so word tracker provide only limited sessions to the free research, keyword research. If you have active and buy paid subscription, you can unlock more sessions. But even in these keywords, you actually don't download or you can't export these keywords. For example, I will show you. If I select all these keywords and want to export, it is asking for me to sign up, and you can only sign up if you have a subscription of it. You can go for the trial subscription as well, but still you need to pay the price for it. Okay, so we'll not do anything yet. We'll just deselect all the keywords, and what I will do a simple thing. Just copy, let me copy these keywords. Yeah, you have to just copy these keywords. Let me copy all the keywords. Okay, so till here we have the keywords, so we have to copy these keywords. Okay, now we have to open Excel sheet. So I have opened my Excel file, and wait and watch what I will do. Okay, so here in the Excel I will just paste the copied cells. Right, here it is. So friends, the rest two columns here, F and G, they are not of very important for us. They are just competition and other algorithms, so they are not more important to us. So we will delete these columns, make it more simpler. Okay, so we have only one column left. We'll just paste it this keyword here. So now the pattern is there's a keyword and its search volume. There's a keyword, its search volume. Okay, there's a keyword, its search volume. Okay, so we have to now bifurcate it. So how you will do it? It's a very simple Excel trick. You have to select all these. Okay, and now you have to apply filter. So we have applied filter. Now what I will do, I will select this, and he will go number filters and then greater than. So I will put a digit 1. Okay, numeric 1. So it will show all the search volume that is more than 1, and we have all this. So here we got. So we'll just copy these search volumes. Okay, and we will paste it here. Okay, for reference. I hope you're seeing. Okay, so now what we'll do, we will just delete these copied cells from here, from the filter. Okay, so it is, so we have deleted. Now we have left only with the keywords. So I will select the keywords. Here it is. Okay, now I will remove the filter. So for that you simply need to do this. Okay, now you have removed the filter. Now you have to select these cells. You have to remove the blank space in between. Okay, sorry. But if you remove the blank space, it will also remove this row. So we'll lost this keyword. So what we'll do, we will paste these keywords in other sheet. Sorry, these search volumes in other sheet, so it will be easy for us later. We'll just cut them. Okay, and now we'll just a minute, friends. I'm trying to open a new workbook. Okay, here it is a new workbook. So what I will do, I will paste my keywords copied cells here. Here it is. Now I will go to my previous workbook, and now what I will do, just see. I will just do this and Control G. I have to press Control G. Now I have to remove these blank cells. Okay, so it is. Okay, so now we have removed the blank cells. We have only left with those keywords. So we'll copy this and we'll go back to our new sheet, and what we'll do, we'll just paste these here, right? And as you can see, friends, now you got it what we are doing for. Okay, so here's the keyword and here's the search volume. Here's the keyword, here's the search volume, and here are the more set of keywords. So in total, let me see how many keywords we got. So in total around we got around 50 keywords. It's good. So based on this you will get a good idea, but you can use these terms as well in Google Keyword Planner to find more variations of it, but still you got a 50% of your work done. And if you are not eyeing for lot many keywords, you can pick some important keywords from here only. So here it is, work is done. So I hope you got my point, and this is the way we'll do keyword research in Word Tracker without buying its subscription. I hope you like this video, so please press the like button. If you have any queries or questions, please do comment on the comment section. I will try to reply those queries and questions. Thank you so much for watching this video, friends. Have a great day and happy SEO. Thank you.